Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the Wi-Fi network on your ZTE Android TV box. To do it, click on the Settings button on your remote. Now, click on OK to go to Network and Internet, and now you can enable or disable Wi-Fi, then select a Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Click on it. Now enter the Wi-Fi password. Once it's done, approve it and it'll connect you to your internet. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.